guys, this is a 2007 200 series, and you don't need to use the extra module on this car because this like middle plug here, if you have this like middle plug here, so you got your airbag detonator, cruise control, this so a middle plug which is like a 10 pin one. If you've got actually some pins in here, probably means you actually do have steering wheel controls already like, actually wired behind the actually like head unit, they just haven't used it. So on the older 200s you can just do that, plug it in, and then you don't need our actual wireless up module. This here is for actual lane departure, so I tape this up. This here is the old horn, so we can kind of tape that up. All we need to do is put the cruise controller back in there, as we've done. And this here will go onto our new horn pad, sorry, which is on here.